Open is with us 1.5% higher is what we have on the Nifty. You got what 280 points is what that translates into. So we are above 20,500. This is a moment of reckoning we've been waiting for since we got the election results yesterday, and it doesn't disappoint. So almost 300 points on the index is what we have, Najib.
Well, that's right. Stocks that are doing very, very well. From the Nifty pack itself, the Adani Group stocks, both Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports, well, they're off to the races. They're up between 6 to around 10% odd. Other couple of names, you have NTPC as well as SBI, both of them up between 3.5 to around 4.5%. Coal India as well up close to around 2%. So some of these PSUs doing very, very well. And obviously when the markets are up 280 points, you don't have a single stock from the Nifty pack that's trading in the red. A couple of big movers and, volume-based movers. You have Adani Power that's up 8%. You have a couple of other notable names. Bank of Maharashtra is up close to 4%. Suzlon is on the top volume list, up close to 4%. And IRDA, after listing, well, the stock has doubled and it's doing well as well. Massive volumes in the first few minutes. Also keep an eye out on Thomas Cook. Volume very, very high for the first couple of minutes. So safe to say, what a start. We were up 330 points. We're still holding with a gain of around 280 points. And the breadth of the market is absolutely stunning. 20 stocks advancing for just one stock that's declining. Wow.
Wow, what a start, right? Super Monday it is. And this is on the back of...
say it. Nigel, say it like you say it. Wow. I mean, what is...
Just looking so elegant, so beautiful. Looking wow.
Okay, that's back then. But, fabulous run for the market, right? Look at that. Almost 300 points higher now for the Nifty. Sensex up almost 950 points. And this is on the back of a huge rally that we've already seen. Just a couple of more stocks. The Adani Group stocks, by the way, are surging even in the broader markets. Adani Power Ports are the biggest gainers, about 5 to 8% higher. You have all your power stocks. Orient Green Power is in the green right now. Union Bank, Suzlon, PNB. So PSU banks as well as power stocks are doing very well. Defense has picked up in a big way. BEL is up about 3.5%. Bank of Maharashtra up about 3-4%. So all in all, you'd have to say a very, very good start to the market. Whether this lasts, whether we build on to these gains, of course, time will tell. But for now, we are just rejoicing the fact that the Nifty and the Sensex have scaled record highs today. So the Sensex, by the way, the grand old index, is now inching towards that 70,000 mark. We would be talking about times of when I remember, the late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala would say 1 lakh on the Sensex before you know it. And at that point, it would seem like such a faraway target. We're almost there. We're almost at 70,000 on the Sensex. Who would have thought that this pace of growth would be really fast compared to, at least what we've seen in the recent past?
I think 1 lakh, it wouldn't be a fast stretch to think that, in the next couple of years or so, we get there just going by basic compounding of 15% or so. But obviously, some signs of, excitement this morning. But you compounded 15%, you're there.
Oh, absolutely. And, 50, we kind of, with the markets we've had, we scoff at 15%. But 15% over long periods of time.
It's a big thing.
Take it with both hands. Absolutely.